Hello, this is your teacher Ayesha Khan. I will be teaching you science and English. I hope you will enjoy with me. The journey will be very interesting and fun-filled. I have taught children before also of pre-teen age, and I really enjoy teaching to my son also. He's in class 6, and I think all the children are very bright and have potential if put to good use. You have to use your brain, you have to use your imagination to understand science, and English is a very powerful tool to seize the opportunities that come your way. So, for today, this is my introductory video, and I hope the students will be able to learn together with me, and we will open up a new world of opportunities and of success together. Thank you so much. This is your teacher, Miss Ayesha Khan. Thank you.